Camping just got smarter with innovative gear designed to take your outdoor adventures to the next level. From space-saving essentials to cutting-edge gadgets, these tools make camping more efficient, enjoyable, and stress-free. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or a first-time camper, these next-level inventions are here to tackle challenges and enhance your outdoor experience. In this video, we're revealing the 10 smart camping inventions that are on the next level, designed for comfort, functionality, and ultimate convenience. Get ready to embrace the future of camping and focus on creating unforgettable memories in nature. Let's dive in.
Experience efficient outdoor cooking like never before with the WADEO 720W Windproof Camping Stove. Designed for reliability even in windy conditions, this stove is your ultimate cooking companion for outdoor adventures. Crafted from high-quality materials, including brass burners and an aluminum alloy windproof cover, it ensures durability and corrosion resistance for long-lasting use. The upgraded design features an easy ignition system and flame control knob, along with silicone non-slip pads for added stability during cooking. With a wider cooking area and a powerful 7,200 watts, this stove heats up quickly, boiling 1 liter of water in under 2 minutes. Compatible with various gas canisters and equipped with a longer hose for added safety, it's perfect for backpacking, tent camping, and emergencies. Compact and lightweight, the WADEO camping stove is a versatile and economical choice for all your outdoor cooking adventures. Gear up and enjoy delicious meals wherever your journey takes you. Elevate your outdoor dining experience with the NACETURE Ultralight backpacking table. This compact and versatile folding camp table is your perfect companion for camping, hiking, and backpacking adventures. Crafted with a sturdy aluminum frame and a heavy-duty polyester fabric tabletop, it offers a reliable surface for meals, snacks, or small devices. Weighing only 1.8 pounds and folding down to just 3.9 by 16 inches, it's incredibly lightweight and portable, fitting easily into your backpack or camping gear. The table also features a detachable mesh storage basket, adding convenience for storing extra food or equipment while outdoors. Whether you're enjoying a meal in the wilderness or need extra counter space at the campsite, the NACETURE Ultralight backpacking table has you covered. Gear up and make your outdoor adventures even more enjoyable with this essential camping accessory. Embrace sustainable hydration with the Ello Syndicate glass water bottle featuring a one-touch flip lid. Made from clean-tasting glass, this bottle ensures pure hydration without any unwanted odors or stains. Its convenient flip lid provides easy access to your drink while guaranteeing a leak-proof seal, perfect for on-the-go lifestyles. Encased in a protective silicone sleeve, this travel-ready bottle is ideal for car rides, gym workouts, or daily commutes. Plus, all parts are dishwasher-safe and BPA-free, making cleaning effortless and worry-free. Say goodbye to plastic waste and enjoy the pure pleasure of drinking from glass with the Ello Syndicate glass water bottle. Looking for the perfect perch for your outdoor escapades? Meet the Whitsunday folding stool, your go-to for on-the-go seating solutions. From rugged camping trips to lively outdoor events, this stool is your trusty sidekick for every adventure. Its lightweight, collapsible design makes it a breeze to carry, so you can set up camp wherever the action takes you. Say goodbye to bulky, cumbersome seating options. The Whitsunday folding stool is all about convenience without compromise. With a sturdy frame and a weight capacity of up to 220 pounds, it's built to support you through every twist and turn of your outdoor journey. So, whether you're scaling mountains or lounging by the lake, you can trust this stool to keep you comfortable and secure. In a nutshell, the Whitsunday folding stool is more than just a seat, it's an essential companion for outdoor enthusiasts who refuse to let anything hold them back. Light up your outdoor adventures with the Nitecore NU-5U Ul400 Lumen Ultra Lightweight Headlamp. Designed for thrill seekers, this headlamp is your ultimate nighttime companion. With a mere 400 lumens, it's perfect for backpacking, biking, jogging, and trekking. Bid farewell to bulky headbands. The NU-5U Ul comes with a lightweight paracord for added comfort on the go. Featuring triple output versatility, including spotlight, floodlight, and dual auxiliary red LEDs, it adapts to any environment. Its USB-C rechargeability ensures easy charging from any USB power source, ideal for travelers and daily adventurers. Built tough with an aerodynamic unibody design and IP66 water resistance, it can handle rugged conditions. Complete with essentials like the NU to 5UL headlamp, paracord, USB cable, and Lumen organizer, it's your all-in-one solution for outdoor exploration. From camping to close-up tasks and nighttime reading, this headlamp is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. Elevate your outdoor adventures with the UCO Plastic Collapsible Camp Cup, a must-have for on-the-go explorers. Engineered for convenience, this innovative cup collapses to half its size, saving precious space in your pack. With volume gradients in both ounces and milliliters, it's perfect for measuring out your favorite beverages, whether piping hot or refreshingly cool. Designed with your comfort in mind, it features an ergonomic handle with a built-in attachment hole, so you can easily clip it to your pack or mess kit using a carabiner. The 12-ounce capacity provides ample room for your drink of choice, while the flexible TP base folds neatly into the rigid rim for compact storage. Crafted from phallic-free, EN-approved materials, this cup is dishwasher and food safe, ensuring durability and peace of mind on all your outdoor excursions. Experience the convenience and reliability of the UCO Plastic Collapsible Camp Cup. It's your trusty companion for camping and travel adventures alike. Meet your ultimate everyday illuminator, the Sofirn LED Small Flashlight USB-C Rechargeable, aka the SC13. Compact yet mighty, this pocket-sized powerhouse measures just 2.54 inches and weighs a mere 1.41 ounces. But don't let its size fool you, it beams out an impressive 1300 lumens, casting light up to 217 meters. Thanks to its USB Type-C rechargeability, you can juice it up with ease, whether you're at home or on the move. Worried about accidental activations? Fear not, the SC13 features a handy lockout function to conserve power during storage or transit. Crafted from durable AL6061T6 aluminum alloy and boasting an IP68 water resistance rating, it's built to withstand whatever Mother Nature throws its way. Perfect for everyday carry, its compact size and featherweight design make it a breeze to tote around in pockets, purses, or clip to your keychain. From navigating dimly lit spaces to handling unexpected emergencies, the Sofirn SC13 is your reliable sidekick for all of life's adventures. Step into the world of outdoor exploration with the OMVMO 3 to 5 person pop-up tent, an absolute game changer in the realm of camping gear. Say goodbye to the hassle of traditional tent pitching and hello to instant shelter with the flick of a wrist. Thanks to its innovative 8th generation hydraulic support system, setting up camp is as easy as a gentle lift, no more wasting precious adventure time on tedious assembly. But the perks don't stop there. This tent isn't just about convenience, it's about enhancing your outdoor experience. With its 2-in-1 canopy and tent combo, you'll have extra shaded space for all your favorite activities, from cooking up a storm to lounging in the great outdoors. And let's talk ventilation. With multiple windows and doors, this tent ensures a breath of fresh air and panoramic views wherever you roam. Durable, practical, and oh so convenient, the OMVMO pop-up tent is the ultimate companion for adventurers seeking seamless camping experiences. Introducing the powerhouse of portable charging, the CUKTECH 10 Power Bank. Say goodbye to low battery anxiety with this game-changing solution in your pocket. Designed to meet the demands of high-power devices, it delivers a whopping 100 watts for laptops, up to 27 watts for iPhones, and 45 watts for Samsung Galaxy devices, ensuring lightning-fast charging wherever you are. Gamers, rejoice! This power bank supports handheld consoles, providing uninterrupted gaming bliss with its rapid self-charging capabilities. Plus, with its vibrant TFT color screen, you'll have real-time visibility into all the essential details. But here's the kicker, it's not just powerful, it's also incredibly portable. With its lightweight and slim design, it's no bigger than your favorite energy bar, fitting seamlessly into your pocket or bag. Fast charging on the go has never been easier or more stylish. Say hello to your new must-have companion, the CUKTECH 10 Power Bank. Step into the world of outdoor exploration and emergency readiness with Lichamp LED Lanterns, the ultimate beacon of reliability and versatility. Powered by 30 energy-efficient LEDs utilizing cutting-edge CUKTECH technology, These lanterns cast a soft yet potent glow, illuminating a full 360-degree area covering up to 97 square feet with a dazzling 250 lumens. Say goodbye to dim and spotty lighting. This innovative design ensures consistent brightness for all your outdoor adventures. Crafted from water-resistant plastic, these lanterns are built to withstand the elements, from sudden downpours to unexpected bumps. Plus, with their collapsible design and fold-away handles, they are as portable as they are practical, perfect for camping, hiking, or keeping on hand for emergencies. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors or preparing for the unexpected, Lichamp LED lanterns are essential companions. Compact, durable, and packed with practical features, they're not just tools, they're gifts of safety and illumination for your loved ones.